Good morning, my sweet, sweet friends. Happy Tuesday. Today is Tuesday, May 26th, 2020. And I just want to go ahead and say what an amazing journey, year, everything this has been. I can't say enough. I'm so proud of each and every one of you. You have all persevered. You have worked so hard. You have come so far. And we only have 2 days. And then Thursday is something a little different of learning and completing tasks. So let's go ahead and get started with our lesson for today. All right, just a quick little friendly reminder. You will need to turn in any Chromebooks, textbooks, or library books to the school. So if you were one of the students who borrowed a Chromebook during this time to do your work, you will need to turn in the Chromebook, the charger, and the case tomorrow at the school. Also, if you have any textbooks, so any social studies books, science books, like the hard ones, like the big ones that we would use sometimes, or if you have a journeys book that you use for Miss Hunt's class, you will need to turn those in tomorrow as well. Also, if you have any library books that you used or got from Ms. R. Jackson, you will need to turn those in tomorrow as well. And the drop-off times are between 10 a.m. and 1 p.m. And if I'm not mistaken, they will have like a bucket, like a big bucket or a big tub outside the front of the school, and you can just place those items in the bucket. Okay? All right, so today our tasks are going to be a little different. It's nothing too difficult, too strenuous for you guys today. So I want for you to complete end of year reflections, okay? And I'll tell you exactly what that means. All right, so what you're going to do today is this is a part one. Tomorrow's a little different, but it's still end of year reflection. So today I want you to draw a picture and I want you to write a quick summary of what your favorite memory this school year has been. It could be one of your favorite lessons. It could be something that happened at recess. It could be something that happened in the lunchroom. I just want to know what your favorite thing has been this year. So not only do I want you to draw a picture, I also want you to write a quick summary. So don't just draw me a picture. I want some words to go along with your thinking. All right. So nothing has changed. Of course, I want to still see your work. And how do I want you to send it to me? I want you to send it to me class, dojo, or text message. All right. So remember, you are smart, you are loved, you are missed. I miss you guys so, 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 so much. And I want you to have a wonderful, wonderful day. Okay? Bye, everybody.